Do you want to learn how to analyze data? Do you want to move your data analysis skills to the next level? Do you want to play with the data? Do you want to play the magic with the data? Then I welcome you to my new series, Become Data Magician with Ishtiaq. Here we will learn about tools and techniques to play with data and use it in a way that can fulfill our purpose and help to achieve our goals. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ishtiaq Khan and welcome to Grow with Ishtiaq Khan YouTube channel. In this channel, we will talk about opportunities and growth. If you are a student, fresh graduate, young professional in the early level of your career or mid-level professional, then this channel is just for you. So subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified of all the videos that I'm posting on daily basis so that you can learn about data analysis and you can learn how to play the magic with the data and you can become the data magician with the new series Become Data Magician with Ishtiaq. Now in this video, this is the third video of this series Become Data Magician with Ishtiaq, and in this video we'll talk about one of the most important tools that is being used most of the times to summarize the data, to to give a meaningful representation to a large amount of data, and that will help you to make a summary or to aid or to summarize or to sum all of your collective efforts into few records into a simple table that can tell you each and everything about your data, and that can help you to provide a deep insights about your overall data, and that will help you to give the results or the insight about your data. like uh, your boss or your client asked you that this is the data of more than 1 lakh feeds, and I want to find that how many customers have bought the product one, and using the customer acquisition type aid and returning type, organic type, and how many customers have bought the product 2 and product 3 and 4. Then if you just use the filter function and then just say that this is the more than 5700 plus records, and you want to find that how many customers have bought the product 1, product 2, 3 and 4, using the and which type of acquisition and from which state. Then if you can use the sort and filter function, like look at this, that I'm using the filter function. I want to find the product 1 with the customer acquisition type 8. This is the record of 379. I make a table here. This is the product type. This is the customer acquisition type and count. Now this is really a tiring task. This task will take you hours to complete it. Like product 1, customer acquisition type is 8, and how many count, let's count it, and it is 379. So 379. And now if someone asks you that dig you more into it, and in each of the state, how many in Alabama? 67. And how many in the Florida? How many in the Georgia? How many in Mississippi? How many in North Carolina, South Carolina, and the other one? And then you using this filtering and sorting function, it will take a lot of your time. It will take a lot of your energy, and you will not be able to be as productive and as efficient after using these techniques. So Excel has brought you one of the most important tools that can help you to tell everything about it, to summarize the data, and to aid the functionality about the data. that will help you to become more efficient, to become more productive, and solve this problem within minutes or within less than minute. This tool which I am going to share with you is the pivot table, and the pivot table tool, and also you can use the another feature which pivot chart. Now how you can use like you can also grab the specific columns and insert the pivot table, but I'm going to share with you one of the another smart tool and a smart way to do it. And just click here, I'll just select all the columns that you want to summarize it, and like select all the data, and then um, make the format it as a table. Format it as a table and also include that my table has headers. So select all the data and then make the table. My table has headers, these are the headers. And then for your ease, just give it a name. This is the sales table. Sales table. Now you can go to any of the slide, you can click on the insert pivot table, you can select the, you can write it the sales table here, and it will give you the pivot fields, and you can use these pivot fields to play with your data and to summarize your data in the way you want, in any way you want. Just I can also show you another way. Just you can click it here. Yeah, after making it a table, you can click on the insert pivot table, and it will directly select this table that you, and you can click on the new worksheet. So there are two ways to like go to new sheet, insert and write the table name, or you can click on the data table and you can then insert the pivot table, and it will show you all the fields that you can use to summarize. Now your boss want to ask you that I want to find that in how many state wise, that how many product are sold state wise, and you can use the columns that in Alabama state product one, how many quantity of product one and product two, and you can use the units, sum of units. So it means, so it just took me only 1 to 2 minutes to summarize each and everything without like writing it each and everything here, state wise and customer acquisition type. You can also insert that you can use the customer acquisition type also, like in Alabama state, 8, using the customer acquisition tab, 8 this amount of time and this amount total. So this pivot table is really great tool. Just clicking on the rows and you can find it that how many of these Alabama product one are being customer are being acquired using the 8 customer acquisition type, using the organic type, using the returning. You can move it to the column, and also you'll find that product one, and it will give you the same result, 8 organic, and the product one, in the product two, in the product three. So you can summarize your data in the way you want. You can add the revenue also, that how many sum of units and how many revenue is generated, sum of units and sum of revenue, product three sum of unit and sum of revenue, and you can summarize your data in the way you want, in a way. So this is pivot table is really great tool to summarize your data, and you can then I will discuss the pivot chart in the other video, that how you can use the pivot charts to give a visual representation to the data that you have summarized. So instead of uh, going over all these things, instead of going over all these like like searching for it using the filter and search function, and then writing then uh, like this amount of products in this, and then just you can use within 2 minutes, within minutes, you can use the pivot table function and you can summarize your data in the way you want. So this is really great tool that you need to use almost 80% of the times, to summarize your data and to dig the deep insights about your data. And because the management or the chief or your boss do not want to dig into the detailed data like the 5700 data, and then you deep dig into this recovery record one is the product, this is the product, this is the A type, this is no, they just need a summary of it. They need something, they need a summary that can give them the insights about all, but even it's in the million record, in the thousands or lakes. So they just need uh, the summary of the data that can help you to give them insight. And also they also like the visual representation of that summary that summarizes these insights, and because it will give them some more insights and it will give you some more useful insights about the data. And we will discuss about the pivot chart, that is also really important tool that you will have to use each and every time to give the visual representation of the data that you have summarized. So stay tuned and keep watching this video and follow this series, become data magician with Ishtiaq, to help you uh, learn the data analysis skill, improve your data analysis skills. So if you want to move your career to the next level, then subscribe to my YouTube channel, Grow with Ishtiaq Khan. Here you can find videos related to career and personal development and how you can transform yourself to grow and attract the next big opportunity that is waiting for you. Also press the bell icon to get notified of all the new videos shared on this platform, and also share the video with your friends and colleagues, because sharing is caring. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.